Want to change the language on your Tesla Model Y or Model 3? It's easy to customize the display, voice commands, and keyboard settings to your preferred language. This video will guide you through the process, step by step. As of late 2025, Tesla has made multilingual support seamless, especially with recent software updates. These settings sync across accounts linked to Tesla's cloud. First, tap the car icon on your Tesla's touchscreen. Then navigate to Controls, followed by Display, and finally Language. You'll see a list of available languages. Select your desired language from the options provided, which include English, Spanish, French, Mandarin, and more. Note that the language settings are unified across both Model Y and Model 3. Changing the display language affects all on-screen text, including menus, notifications, and system messages. After selecting a new language, your Tesla might require a quick restart to fully apply the changes. Once restarted, the entire user interface will be displayed in your chosen language. This ensures a consistent and user-friendly experience. The voice assistant automatically adapts to the language you select. This allows you to use voice commands like navigate to home or change climate in your preferred language. The system uses natural language processing, NLP, for multilingual recognition, but accuracy may depend on your pronunciation. Tesla's latest FSD versions, post v12.3, now automatically adjust voice recognition based on the selected language, reducing errors in non-English commands. When you need to type, the on-screen keyboard adjusts to your selected language automatically. This includes changes to the keyboard layout, autocorrect features, and predictive text. This is particularly helpful for languages with non-Latin scripts, such as Arabic or Japanese. This ensures you can easily input addresses, search terms, and other text in your chosen language. Tesla engineer Elon Musk has emphasized that language support is a key factor for global adoption of their vehicles. Automotive tech analysts note that Tesla's approach outperforms competitors who often require dealer visits for language changes, making Tesla more user-friendly. In 2025, Tesla rolled out the 2025.8 software update, which ensures consistency among the Model Y and Model 3 vehicles for language settings. The touchscreen now supports 22+ languages, including expanded options for regional dialects, such as Spanish variants for Latin America, enhancing accessibility worldwide. Tesla is rapidly expanding its language support, with plans for over 30 languages by 2026, largely driven by growing sales in Asia. Future updates may bring real-time translation features for incoming calls and messages, making communication seamless across languages. By 2027, experts predict voice-to-voice translation capabilities for passenger interactions, leveraging Tesla's advanced AI. Changing your Tesla's language settings is a simple yet powerful way to personalize your driving experience. With these steps, you can easily switch between languages for the display, voice commands, and keyboard, making your Tesla truly your own.